Oh, I kind of want to film this the other way. Alright, so today is my birthday, and my subs, my friends, my Strawberry Warriors have bought me a little something. So I told them that I would unbox it for them live. So that's what this is. This is me opening up a birthday present from the Strawberry Warriors to me. This is kind of crazy. I don't know why people send me stuff, but we're rocking with it. I love it. I'm very grateful, very appreciative. Came in this big old heavy box. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. It came in this box. Does that have anybody's address on it? Okay, I'm good. So I'm gonna open this live for them, and hopefully if all goes well, you guys can hear their audio. I'm gonna open this live for them and for you guys watching this as well. So super excited. They say I'm gonna love it. Let me just scribble out these addresses so I don't accidentally leak anybody. Okay. All right, let's join the Discord call with them, and hopefully you guys can hear them. Let's see. Uh-oh. Hey, guys.
Uh-oh. Everybody shut the fuck up. Teach is back. Momo said she's leaving now and heading home.
No way. Do I have to wait?
I don't know how far she is from home.
Tell her to go park at a Starbucks. I got the box right here. Somewhere.
We should all know that I'm not appropriate for public spaces.
Okay. What's the appropriate way to open this? Hammer?
Yes. It's hammer princess.
Hammer?
Hammer time.
Okay, I got a hammer.
Hey! Sweet! I'll play that here. Oh, he's frozen. I'm just kidding. No, he's not. He's back. Nice. He's got the hammer. Nice. You did remember to hit record, right?
Yeah, I'm recording. This is it. We're gonna open it. If it's a glitter bomb...
There's no glitter bomb. There's no glitter.
I have all of your addresses if it's a glitter bomb.
Oh my god, I'm so impatient. Open it faster.
What is it? Is it a glitter bomb?
No.
Is it a new motorcycle? Why is it so heavy? Oh, it's a Squishmallow.
There was a note with him.
This is the only thing in the box.
No.
This is it.
Yep. He was really heavy. He's like 50 pounds.
This is all that was in the box.
There's another letter that came with the other guy. Yep, that. Yep, there you go.
What's the order here? What do I address first? What do I do with my hands?
The letter that's actually in your right, yeah, that letter goes with the thing, and then the small letter goes with the other guy. Where'd you put him? Did you already lose him? TJ, oh my god. Oh, there he is. Yep, there you go.
I got him.
Great. Yes. Yes, there you go. Yes. Yes, read that. Oh no, please don't. I took all my hard time and work to write that. Oh. I'm not gonna glitter bomb you with the letter.
Holy stickers! Oh gosh, that's a lot of stickers. Chin up, princess, or the crown slips. Smile, please. That's hilarious. Okay, what are we doing next? The letter?
Yes.
Do I gotta read it out loud?
Yes. It's front and back, so...
There's a back!
Yeah. He's rigid.
And I'll talk about what this is after?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'll talk about what this is afterwards. Holy crud. Huh?
Huh? Yeah, don't cry. Don't cry.
No crying here. We just want... Imagine I read the whole thing like that. I'm sorry. I'm such an unserious person. We just want to start out by saying thank you for everything that you do for us. We greatly appreciate all your hard work in filming, editing, uploading, and talking to us even after a long day of work. There are so many things that make you exceptional, but above all, it's your unwavering dedication and work ethic that stand out the most. Day in and day out, you pour your heart and soul into everything you do, never asking for recognition but always giving your best. It's rare to find someone who works as hard as you do with such passion and commitment, and we're lucky to have you in our lives. Your strength, kindness, and work ethic inspire us all to be better, to push ourselves harder, and to appreciate the value of community and support. I love how there's a little arrow pointing to the back.
Yes.
It's important that you know how much you are loved, appreciated, not just for all that you do, but for the wonderful person you are and all the amazing things that you continue to accomplish. We love the community you built us through Discord because it has brought us together, not only as friends, but also as a family. Aww.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
To show you just how greatly we appreciate you, we've decided to give back to you by getting you some new gear with the help of Smile's lovely idea. We love you and can't wait to see the new content you make with it in the future. Love, Lindsay, Smile, Sydney, Momo, Stephanie, Ash, Valor, Tequila, Jordan, Jana, and Wildfire, aka the Strawberry Warriors. Aww, that's really cute.
We love you, Cody. You know I know how to make people cry with letters now. If they can cry, it's okay.
No tears here. So what we got here
Don't do that.
this is my super suit. Jeez, this thing is sexy. Oh, I gotta back up. Hold on.
I thought my way to join.
First of all, how the heck did you get this?
You know, I kind of had to sit on the box to get that box closed, so.
Yeah, I don't know how you fit this big thing in here, but that's impressive. Yep, we got a full track suit. This thing is huge. Is this going to fit?
It's taller than you. Wait, it's taller than TJ, that's rare. I'm gonna have to try it on and show us how tall.
I'm definitely gonna try it on. Let me show the camera. This is beautiful.
Gimme. It is. I love it.
This is so
The
cool.
middle finger.
Whoa.
That's flipping us off. It's for the letter. It's for the letter. That's why.
I'm so excited to try this thing on. How did you get this? Like in my size? Is it my size? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
And then all the eyeballs you sent was funny.
All the eyeballs. I'm gonna try it on.
Oh, okay. Look at that button, man.
That is insane. Oh, I should put gloves on so it's complete. How's the butt look? I look like a superhero.
He's got a tag. I'm gonna put it in the pocket. Stick it in the pocket. And then zip it. Go, go, Power Rangers.
Well, I got the mic there, I think. Is it still there?
Yeah.
I'm fogging up.
That's boring.
Whew. I can't take this outside. Do you see how nice this is? I'm wearing this to weddings from now on. This is the nicest suit I own. This is the nicest suit I own. I'm wearing it to weddings, every occasion. It's amazing. This is so cool. No, I'm absolutely sweating. This is so cool. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Hold on.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm really glad it fits him, and I'm really glad that
I know.
he enjoys it.
Yeah.
This is so amazing. The fact that I have opportunities like this is just insane, and I don't know what else to say but thank you. This is crazy, and I would be nowhere in this whole social media realm without you guys and the support from you guys, and I just want to thank you guys so much. Hold on, let me take this off. It's getting hot. Okay. And yeah, I know it's my birthday, but just everything. Thank you for everything, every day. This is just an amazing roller coaster we've been on together. And I'm so proud of the community that we've grown and built together. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. And I got my special underwear on too. That's kind of crazy.